Have you touched the water?
Oh.
It's so warm. It's like a bathtub.
Yeah, careful with the shark.
Hello. Guten Abend. We're leaving Ha Giang and we're on our way to Ha Bay.
We are in one of the uncomfortable sleeper buses. Okay, I guess we're taking a taxi. There are all these taxi drivers.
They're all just waiting here at the bus. It's not even a bus stop. It's just
It's not even 4 a.m. It's like 3:50 or something. We just like picked the, I guess, sort of random island. This island should get us to another island, so hopefully it's a good island. Bus wouldn't take money from us because they said the villa already paid. So
which is weird.
because we didn't pay the villa.
Right. So
But you can't see anything. You have to light up.
Right.
No light from the bottom. It is almost Halloween after all. Wait, I'll do the lighting, okay?
we're at Twin Chow Ferry Docks, but it's like 3 a.m. in the morning, so no one's here. At least we got the pricing.
We just got dropped off here as if it was the most normal thing that they do with like tourists.
It's 4 in the morning.
So I guess we can take the 7:31. Well, it feels like we have the whole island to ourselves now, which is nice. And it's so quiet. Is this like too blinding to vlog? Ugh. I feel like a celebrity all over again.
You are a celebrity.
I am.
An internet influencer.
I'm influencing like 2 people.
Hmm.
Well, it is very blinding, and then you don't know where to look because you're like, I can't stare right into the light. Shall we go?
Yeah.
That's creepy. Is really good for us. It's the sunrise.
The sun's directly shining in my eyes.
Hello.
Guten Tag. We're on our way to Cát Bà Island.
We are. And we're in Ha Long Bay. Oh, so it is a gas station for cars and for...
And for parents as well.
Let's see if we can get some tickets. Is it going to Cát Bà town?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How much?
Okay.
How much?
50,001.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, thank you. Well, that was easy. I can't believe
We have a
this.
little fridge.
We have a little fridge and we have a sea view, and it's €7. No, it's 6 euros per night. That's 3 euros per person. And we have a sea view. That's insane. Look at the sea. I mean...
There's a mountain view as well.
Really?
On the other side.
What? Oh my god. We have 2 big windows in a room. We have a private bathroom and 2 beds. We can sleep in separate beds.
I mean, sure, if you want to.
Or we can use one bed as the storage area.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay. First beer after not drinking for a month. Cheers.
How's it taste?
I missed it.
Yeah?
Because I actually like beer.
Kitty.
Best day to do a boat tour. It's like raining and there's a storm.
Nhưng mà ngày xưa
Very
anh học
cold.
là nói xấu về vua chúa, nói xấu về các thứ. Bây giờ làm y
I
như
just
thì
zoomed in.
vua.
Life jackets on. It's super cold.
Oh no. Sorry. I'm trying to film you. I think I'm not gonna be able to vlog much, but this is it. We're on the kayaks. Sorry, I hope we don't bump into you. I'm like busy vlogging. Is it? Oh, I would love to fall into that. It is really warm. Okay, sorry, I'm just gonna... Okay. Well, we're on the kayaks now. It's freezing, but the water is really warm, so I'd actually love to swim. How are you feeling back there? Have you touched the water?
Oh.
It's so warm. It's like a bathtub.
Yeah, careful with the shark.
Are there sharks here? Oh my god, we need to go over there. What an experience. It was still cool. Wait, yeah, I'm recording. I can't.
Wow. We're drenched.
We're completely drenched, even though we had like rain.
Rain jackets on.
The seats
This
were
would have been so
completely.
much nicer if it was sunny.
It would have been so much fun. I mean, it was still fun, but I'm so cold and now we're all so wet. It's okay. Maybe it's even better than the other one.
What beer is it?
Beer Hanoi.
What are you eating?
Well, vegetable farm, I think. Good morning.
Ich spreche kein Deutsch.
It's more than I can say in Vietnamese. No, I could say it in French. Je ne parle pas français. Very French.
Very French. time I shave.
You look 10 years younger.
So, gonna go get lunch now?
Lunch. Pink shirt.
With the pink shirt on.
Yeah, now you wanna eat my shoes too?
How do I look?
Mukbang. I don't know if that was as cool as I imagined.
Ich habe einen Onkel. Ich habe keinen Mann. Ich habe einen Freundin. No, not ein. Ich habe eine Freundin.
Yeah, that's
There
right.
you go.
Very good. Very good German speaker. Oh, you know how to say witch?
Which?
In German?
Which?
That's a good guess.
Ich bin Hexe.
Outfit check.
Alright, we're off to get food.
Dinner time.
Dinner time. There's a little bit of music if you can hear it.
Yeah. And
like
you're
hip-
vibing with it.
Tofu and tomato sauce. Rice. Lemon tea. Beer.
Yeah.
Pho. And surfing. It's a mess in here.
Such a mess.
We got a lot of packing to do.
Yes, and today we're leaving the rainy island. So,
But
yay
first,
for that. A word from our sponsor. No. What were you going to say?
we're gonna go have breakfast.
Right. We need to work on our finishing each other's
Sentence.
sentences.
Words.
Alright, we need to work on that.
I'm putting on socks. I hope this is entertaining for you. I don't know what sit in Vietnamese is. You gotta stay here. I'm gonna put you back on the first floor.
I don't think that the dog is supposed to go up here.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Come back.
I'll open the door and then I'll check on the dog. Alright, let's see if you're still in here. Hey! It's gone. He's not hiding on the roof anymore. Dog is successfully on the first floor.
Believing. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, rainy island. Goodbye, cheap room. Fill up on water, get some snacks.
And then catch a bus all the way to...
To the ferry. Okay, goodbye.